What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Treasure Monroe, and today you guys, we are doing this beautiful look. It's one of my favorite looks I love to do because it's super easy and it's super quick. Yep, super easy and super quick. Definitely keep watching. Stay tuned to see how I achieve this look. But before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel to become part of the family. Treasure. Okay, so now we're going to go in with the eyeshadow, and I'm just going to do a brown smoky eye on the lid because it's super easy. I'm going to pop some mascara and some lashes on, and then we're going to move on to the face. Okay, so for my palette of choice today, I'm going to be using this old thing right here. So we're going to go in with this shade here, and we are going to smoke out the lid with the same brush. And boom, look how easy that was. Same thing for the other lid. And the eyes are done in less than 2 minutes. Super easy. Mascara on, put you some foundation on, and out the way if you're in a rush. Okay, I'm putting on my mascara. I wanted to tell you guys, so for this year of 2023, happy new year. You guys, I am off of social media for 6 months. This is something that I definitely feel I need to do, because spiritually, mentally, and emotionally, because a lot of times we are unaware, but social media can bring so many different things, change what we think, desires that we have for ourselves. And so I think it's very good for everyone to cleanse from social media for whatever amount of time. You know, if you know that you are on social media often, maybe try like a week cleanse, or start with a weekend cleanse, or just a one-day cleanse, and just see how much more productive your day is by just eliminating social media. You know, I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with my foundation. Now I've already cleansed and moisturized my face, but I am gonna go in and prime. Now I'm gonna go in with my concealer and conceal underneath my eyes. Y'all know I like a bright under eye, but when I'm going for more of a natural look, I tend to not go so, I really don't go so bright. It just kind of really depends on the occasion, honestly. Where I'm going, what I'm doing. But I'm not gonna go super bright today. Going in with a Real Technique sponge. These are one of my favorite sponges. Today I have an appointment, so that's what we're getting ready for. I am getting ready to go back to school, and I'm so excited. I'm really super excited because it's something that I've wanted to do for a while now. So I am a licensed cosmetologist. I really desired to be done with doing hair. I don't want to do hair behind the chair anymore. I really want to teach. And so that's what I'm going back to school for, to be a master instructor. And that's pretty much it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and I'm going to set my face. And so today at 1 o'clock I meet with the advisor for the school, and we are gonna talk. They're also gonna work on getting me a scholarship so that I don't have to pay anything. So I'm receiving that I will not have to pay anything to go back to school to further my education in the name of Jesus, okay? But I'm just super excited. I'm going in now with my bronzer, and we're gonna bronze up my face. So some things are really taking shape in my life right now that I had been on the fence kind of about for a while. Like, do I really want to do it? I don't know if I want to do it. Do I really want to do it? I really want to do it, but do I have time to do it? All of those things, you know, playing in my head. And now I'm just gonna allow Jesus to take the wheel. God, whatever you put before me, whatever you bring to the table, that's what we doing, okay? That's where you send me, I will go. Whatever you tell me to do, my answer is yes. For real, for real. Now I'm going to go in really quickly and just kind of contour my cheeks a little bit more to give me a little bit more definition and chiseledness. So I'm hoping that with me not being on social media, I can come on here more often and do more videos. And because I've had YouTube since 2019, but I have not been consistent. I have never been consistent, and it's kind of just been coming on here doing makeup tutorials. And this year I really want to kind of open my door to invite you guys into my life. That looks good to me. What y'all think? Comment and let me know what y'all think. I'm gonna blend as just for the contour, not for the whole total look, because we have to blend this all together. I have to be there at 1, and y'all, it's 12:22, so I have to be going. I have to go get dressed and everything and be out. You guys, so this is the final and finished look. Boots are super cute. I'll show them to y'all later. Maybe I'll insert a picture here or something so you guys can see it, but this is the final look. I do have to put some pins in my hair, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye. Treasure.